As we've talked about fractions, we've mostly focused on dealing with circles as our basis. So saying something like the circle is cut into fourths, and then eighths, and so on. But of course, any shape can be divided into portions, and that's what a lot of your homework has dealt with. As we deal more generally with numbers, it's often the number line that we care about. Right? That's what a ruler is it's a number line. So this question asks, write a fraction that represents the number of inches shaded on ruler B. So here's ruler B. You can ignore all the other ones, just focus in on that. And it's kind of hard to see, so since I'm able to here, I'm going to zoom in, make it easier to count. So what are our units? We took, let's go back to a pen here. We took 1 unit from 0 to 1, and you cut it in half, so we have halves. And then you took half of that, so we have the quarter marks. And then you cut quarters in half, so we have eighths. You can see that if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But that's still a pretty wide section, even if we look at the original size. An eighth of an inch is not as precise as we want to get all the time. So we can take eighths and cut those in half. Well, what's half of an eighth? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's a 16th. So each of these little lines is 1/16. See if I can write this precisely. So 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16. And 4/16 is the same thing as 2/8 or as 1/4. And we have different units that all land us here. So 4/16, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16/16 is a whole, right? That's the definition of a 16th. So how much is shaded? Seeing that there are 16/16 in a whole tells us the unit, but it doesn't tell us how much is shaded. To see how much is shaded, we're counting this whole gray bar. So here's 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32/16 gets us to a whole. Right? Because remember 16 is 16 times 2 is 32. Oops. So 32 over 16 is 2/16 over 16. That's 2 wholes. Then we keep counting. 33, 34, 35. So our fraction is 35/16. Now, if we recognize that these are 16ths because we're used to dealing with rulers, or we just count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, we can count in bunches. Here's 16/16. Here's another 16/16. So we have 16 and 16 more for 1 whole and 1 whole more, and 1, 2, 3 past that. So our unit is 16. There's our 16ths, our unit. 16, 16 more, 32, 33, 34, 35. That's how we can go from 2 and 3/16 2 means 1 plus 1, so 16 plus 16 more, 32 sixteenths, and 3 more, 32 plus 3, that's 35 sixteenths. So that's what it's looking for, 35 sixteenths.